With the Sustainable Green Building Policy of March 2005, Clemson University is striving to become a leader among universities in sustainable design and construction. Completion of the Clemson rowing facility in January 2007 signified the first athletic facility at Clemson University to be LEED certified, earning a silver rating by the USGBC.
During the construction of the facility 6 years ago, the use of sustainable materials greatly contributed to the LEED Silver certification. The steel in the pre-engineered structure was fabricated here in South Carolina and was made from 100% recycled steel products. The fiberglass insulation mentioned earlier was made from both post-consumer and post-industrial products. The wood veneer lockers and casework in the facility were produced from sustainably managed forests. The concrete used on the project was mixed with aggregate from a quarry located less than 15 miles from the site.
When designing the Clemson rowing facility, water usage was a major concern. During construction, it was very important to control the materials used on the job site and minimize the runoff of sediment into Lake Hartwell. It was also important to design the surrounding area around the facility in a way that would minimize the use of water. Instead of paving the parking lot with asphalt or concrete, it is paved with gravel. Gravel allows water to penetrate through to the ground surface without the use of a drainage system. Since the water is being absorbed, it also reduces the runoff into the lake. The surrounding area of the facility is a lush green space, yet no irrigation system is used. This is a result of smart planning and landscaping. Another way the rowing facility reduces its water usage is by low-flow sinks, toilets, and showers that saves 14% more water than required by LEED Silver certification. The rowing facility also houses 2 water-saving washing machines. These features allow the facility to significantly reduce its water usage.
The Clemson rowing facility utilizes 3 energy recovery ventilators, also known as ERVs, which allow for the incoming outdoor ventilation air to be first cooled during the warmer seasons or preheated during cold seasons, reducing costs of heating and cooling due to the energy savings produced by the ERVs. To optimize energy performance in the facility, Johnson Control occupancy sensors adjust the HVAC system requirements based on the number of occupants and the CO2 levels in the workout areas. Also, motion sensor light controls are used in the lounge and kitchen areas.
The comfort and well-being of the student athletes should be one of the primary concerns and design aspects considered for a new athletic facility. The ERVs used by the facility provide thermal comfort for its occupants, and the CO2 levels are constantly monitored. The system then pumps fresh air into the facility when CO2 levels are increased, and the ERVs use fresh outside air. The facility contains removable low VOC carpet tiles, which are easily replaced when stained or ripped. The locker rooms and kitchen also use formaldehyde-free wood veneers made from a sustainably managed forest in the area. These contaminant-free materials increase the air quality and contribute to the well-being of the Clemson student athletes. The building also utilizes daylighting from beautiful Lake Hartwell. Large windows strategically placed on the north side of the building facility allow optimal sunlight exposure.
An important part of sustainable construction that is often overlooked is site selection and building location within the site. The Clemson rowing facility was placed on an appropriate site, and the building is situated so that there is a large natural buffer between the building and Lake Hartwell. A combination of native and drought-tolerant plantings provides aesthetically pleasing natural areas that are low maintenance and don't require irrigation. These natural areas decrease the severity of negative impacts related to a new development while restoring a portion of the site that was disturbed during construction. All facility visitors are provided alternative transportation options. The facility is located within 1/4 of a mile of a CAT bus stop, which provides access to the entire campus, while bike racks encourage another form of alternative transportation. Another sustainable site feature of the facility involves the parking lot design. The entire parking area is crushed gravel, which allows stormwater runoff to infiltrate into the ground, preventing massive amounts of runoff while also recharging the groundwater supply.
With the completion of the rowing facility, Clemson University demonstrated its commitment to combine athletics with sustainable practices, ensuring that the future athletes will have the opportunity to train and compete in a healthy environment. In fact, just 2 years after the completion of the facility, the rowing team won their first national championship in the varsity 4+ division.